Alright guys, so I'm bringing you a haul. I went to two places today. I went to Goodwill and I went to Big Lots, and I found quite a bit of things. Word to the wise, do not go shopping while you are hungry. It's not a good idea. Not a good idea. So hold on one second because I'm still hungry, so I'm going to grab my little box of wheat thins and then we'll get right into the haul. Because your girl is hungry, so pardon me while I snack. Alright, so like I said, I went to Goodwill and then I went to Big Lots. So I'm going to start with the Goodwill stuff first. Right now. Okay. One of the things that I found for $4.99, y'all, and I just can't wait for, look, now I can't wait for Christmas to come back. Because I got 4 of these. They look like they came from like Home Goods or something. They were 20 bucks and I got them for $4.99, and they're in great condition. No one ever used them. And that's going to go really well with my aesthetic in the front room, and have these hanging like right on that credenza area. I think it's going to look really nice. So $4.99, and they were regularly 20 bucks. They were regularly like 5 bucks per, and I got all 4. Not even out the package. Really excited about that. So that's one thing. And then I got this beautiful blouse from Loft, Ann Taylor Loft. And it's just, to me, it's a very summery type of a blouse. Look, I love the light blue. I can wear this with some white shorts, you know, in the evening or whatever. If I'm going somewhere, like if Earl and I are going to the movies or something like that, I can wear it with some white shorts or white, what do you call it? The Bahama? No, is it Bahama? Not Bahama, is it? Anyway, Bermuda. Bermuda shorts, Bahama shorts. With like some white Bermuda shorts, or even some like pedal pusher like pants too. So I thought this was really cute and blousy. And then I found this other shirt here, and I love this. I love, look at the back of this. Even if I don't wear it buttoned up, just wear it open with a nice little tank underneath it or something like that, you know, and you can wear this to keep yourself covered. But I just thought it was so super cute. It is the brand Soft Surroundings. So yeah, like it was brand new as well. So I thought that was really cute. You know, something that you can wear with just about anything when it comes to that type of stuff. And then what I think will be my Easter dress. I got this beautiful number here, and it's like asymmetrical a little bit because it goes like high here. The lace goes high in the front and then low in the back. It's really, really pretty. And what I want to pair it with, you know, I could wear it with, you know, without anything on top, but I feel like, first of all, I know the church is going to be cold. And secondly, I like to wear my bra, whatever. So I found this white blazer that I know that's just kind of going to hug my body. And then I can zhuzh up the sleeves here. I think I'm going to wear this for Easter Sunday because I got, I think, the perfect shoes to go with that. So, yeah. Oh, and then let's see. What is the brand? I think the brand of this dress was Gianni Beanie, you know, the GB. So, yeah. And then this jacket actually came from Cato. So, I was looking for a white cardigan, but I feel like this will do just fine and it won't distract from the dress. Then I have told myself that I'm going to try to get more color when it comes to purses, because I'll wear color and then I don't have a purse or anything to go with it, you know, and I'll end up just carrying a brown bag or, you know, a Michael Kors or something like that. And sometimes you just want a little bit of style. And so I found this pretty little number. It was like 10 bucks. I love how pretty that green is. And if I don't want the strap or whatever, I don't have to have it. I can take it off and just carry this. And I think it would be really cute to have something like this, you know, depending on what you wear or whatever. But yeah, and then maybe later on I'll find some shoes that kind of match. I remember my grandmother used to do that. Her bags would match her shoes and stuff like that. So I really like that. And then I ended up getting a solid navy blue bag that, you know, I feel like it's really nice. You can carry it with just about anything. Nice little bag, I feel. It's got the snap inside and all kinds of pockets and everything on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, so again, this was $9.99. I'm starting to notice that the prices are going up at the Goodwill. I know inflation, but good Lord, like it's really going up. But I got out of there with only spending like 55 bucks. So I thought that was pretty good. All right, so that was it for the Goodwill. So let's go to Big Lots. We went to Big Lots. So like I said, don't go anywhere hungry, especially where they got food. Would you please move? Y'all know Chef is right here up under me, honey. He gotta smell everything. Like, what is going on? Now you're trying to fight. So I got this set of 2 pictures to go in our primary bathroom. But like I told you, I don't have anything in there, and I've been looking. I think this will do. I almost started to put it back. Sorry, the rain is on it. It was raining today. But it was 2 pictures for $24, so I didn't think that would be bad. I think it would go nice in our bathroom, but now I think I'm gonna have to change my towels because I don't want too much going on in there, so it won't look crazy. But yeah, I think that was really cute. 24 bucks for 2. Just lay that right there and hope the cat don't get to it. And then, so in my living room, I have this blank wall that I think I have some shelves that I was going to use in the powder room when we first moved here, and I never used them. So I think I'm gonna pull those shelves out and put it on that wall because I don't really want to do like match, you know, like all pictures and stuff. So I was trying to think of some other idea that I can put on that wall, and I have 2 shelves that I can do like maybe catty-cornered or something like that from one another. And then I found some inexpensive things at Big Lots to decorate with. So this right here, y'all know this whole chain thing. I got this, it was $6.97. It was regularly 10 bucks, but I got it for $6.97. So I feel like something just kind of on the shelf or something like that would be cute. And then I found this elephant right here for $4.97, which again, all this will go with the color aesthetic that I have, you know, in the living room. Oh, pretty cute. Cute little, I think it was $4.90. It was regularly $7 and I got it for $4.97. And plus, oh, I don't know if you guys know, if you're a veteran, when you go to Big Lots, let them know because they will give you 10% off. So I got 10% off of everything too. I still spent a lot. And then of course I saw this J. I couldn't pass this up with my last name. My last name is Jones. And so I was gonna put something like this on that shelf too. I hope I'm not overestimating the size of those shelves, but yeah, so I got this J. It was regularly $6. I got it for $3.97. Thought that was pretty cool. And then here, let me keep going with that type of stuff. Oh yeah, and then I figured like something like this black candle would look nice on the shelf. I also have some plants and stuff that I can also put on that shelf, you know, like that's got a little bit of white to break up some of the black. But this coconut and woods candle was regularly $6. I got it for $3.97, and I just love the design on it. It was really pretty. So got that. And then okay, now I think it's time for food. Oh, I'm about to show y'all this food. This is crazy. So I picked up some Ocean Spray cranberry juice. I feel like this is something good to have around the house, especially like sometimes, you know, like when you want to keep your, I guess, urinary tract nice and clean or whatever. Cranberry juice is one of the best things to drink every now and then to do that. So I got us a big bottle of that so we can keep up on our health around here. One of my guilty pleasures is, would you stop? Ooh, that cat know he's something else. That's what I told, like, y'all, there's one time I'm loving on the cat and just think he's the sweetest thing in the world, and then the next thing I know, we fighting like, I don't know what. What is your problem, dude? Anyway, this is one of my guilty pleasures, these buy drinks, because first of all, one bottle is only 10 calories, and I love that. And so I bought a package of these at our local grocery store, and I noticed that the bottle was significantly smaller. And I think now, but this one has the regular size bottles in it, which were 18 ounce, and I think the new size is like, I don't know, I want to say like 14 ounces or something like that, but you can tell that it's really small. So I ended up getting my 6-pack of my buy drinks, because I feel like sometimes, you don't want to drink water all the time, and so this right here is not a lot of calories, and I don't feel so guilty. So 10 calories for the entire bottle is not bad at all, and I think it has a lot of antioxidants too in it. So again, trying to think on the healthy side of things. That's just me, child. But then y'all gonna see all the little stuff and be like, she ain't that healthy. Oh, okay, and then my wheat things. That. And then I got some Cheez-Its, because y'all, I was so hungry. I was just throwing stuff in the basket at this point. So I got some white cheddar Cheez-Its. How much are these? Oh, they didn't have the price of these. I don't even know how much I paid for them. That just show you right there that I wasn't thinking. And then I got Earl and I some, little peanut butter crackers and cream cheese crackers and stuff. Like, you can take a package of these for 130 calories and eat them and still, feel like you're not doing too much. So this and a buy drink, 140 calories, you can walk that off in no time. So that's what I got. I got us the toasty peanut butter ones, and then I got us the cream cheese and chives. So, and then I got, and then I got us some Sweet Monster Trail Mix. It has like peanuts and, I didn't know how these chocolate chips in there. I knew it had the M&Ms in there. But yeah, it has M&Ms, chocolate chips, peanut butter chips, raisins, and peanuts. So this is something like when you just have that little, you want something sweet. This right here is a good go-to. And again, I picked this up and don't know the price. That show you how hungry I was. No, I did see the price when I was there. And I think for this, it was like $8, which isn't bad. I think it was like $8, so it wasn't too bad. And then I was thinking I want to snack on something really bad. And I got me some Doritos. And what did I get to go with the Doritos? Bean dip, jalapeno bean dip, spicy Doritos and jalapeno bean dip. I'm going to eat them because I'm hungry. Might go in there and eat some dinner, but later on I'll probably have this for a snack or something. Eat something. And then I know my kids are 23 and 27, but y'all, I could not help myself. Look what I got these children. I think they're gonna be excited though. It's like all these gummy things. It says 2 pounds of excellent gummy mix. I feel like they both love like sour stuff and stuff like this, so I got them both. And these were only $6.50, but it's like they're too old for Easter baskets, but I know that. Chef, leave the plant alone. Leave the plant alone. It's not bothering you. I don't know what it's bothering. Anyway, this is what I got for them. $6.50. At first I was gonna get one and tell them to share it, because they live together in an apartment. I was like, I ain't gonna do that. Let them have their own in their own room. So this is their little Easter treat from their mama. But that is it, y'all. That is my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what y'all like the best. Let me know. I will probably insert me in this out. Stop it, boy! He's trying to eat my plant, y'all. Had the leaf in his mouth. But anyway, so maybe I need to go feed him. But I'm going to insert what I looked like in this outfit for Easter And that's if I wear it. That's if I wear it. So we'll see. Okay, guys. If so, stay tuned. You'll see it right after this. But I thank you guys so much for tuning in. If this you like hauls like this, you know, go ahead and subscribe. I do these randomly every now and then when I go to the store and find some things. I love to show you guys what I find and how you can actually decorate your house. Sorry, how you can actually decorate your house on a budget. You can dress on a budget. You don't have to go out and spend a whole lot of money on stuff. I mean, it's okay every now and then when you want to treat yourself, but sometimes when you just want a few pieces here and there, you know, you can go to Big Lots and Goodwill and all those different stores like that. All right, so I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment and let me know what you like. Give me a thumbs up if you don't mind, or give him a thumbs up wherever he, oh, there he is. Give him a thumbs up because, honey, I guess he needs it. And don't forget to share, okay? I will talk to you guys later. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.